Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In Kenshi's harsh world, your first coins often come from simple scavenging. Focus on fallen enemies, taking their gear and selling it at the nearest town. Even basic weapons and armor fetch a small price, helping you buy essential food and bandages. Don't forget to explore ruins carefully. Ancient books and advanced components can be quite valuable. This early hustle truly sets you up for future adventures. Mining is a classic Kenshi moneymaker, a truly foundational strategy. Iron and copper are plentiful resources, always in high demand at the local shops. Find a good deposit, ideally close to a town, and assign your characters to mine diligently. As their mining skill improves, they'll extract resources much faster, turning a slow trickle into a very steady income stream. It's a reliable way to keep your pockets full. Once you've established a base, crafting becomes a powerful income source, offering significant returns. Research and build various crafting benches, like armor or weaponsmithing or even a food processor. The key is quality. Better items sell for much, much more. Train your crafters diligently, producing goods that are always in demand. This method requires some initial investment, but it truly pays off handsomely over time. For the more combat-oriented, bounty hunting and combat looting are excellent ways to earn money. Every enemy you defeat drops gear that can be sold, from rusty weapons to valuable armor. Keep a sharp eye out for named characters, especially bandits with bounties on their heads. Delivering these criminals to local police stations can net you thousands of cats, a truly significant reward. Just be sure your squad is strong enough to handle the fight. As your empire grows, consider advanced commerce strategies. Establish profitable trade routes, buying low in one town and selling high in another for a quick profit. You can also build your own general store or bar within a bustling city, attracting customers directly to your doorstep. For ultimate efficiency, automate production lines in your base, crafting valuable goods from raw materials, creating a self-sustaining economy that just keeps growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.